Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we will do question answers of class 4 English, chapter 15, This Native Land of Mine. So let us begin question answers. First is choose the correct option. She is a rich and rare land. The word rare here means. The word rare here means option A, common, B, separate, C, ordinary and D, uncommon. Which one is correct? Option D, uncommon. Rare means uncommon. Second one, she is a warm and bold land. The word bold here means option A, brave and courageous, option B, full of fear, option C, happy and option D, proud. Which one is correct? Option A, brave and courageous. So, we will write here option A. Next is she is a rich and rare land. She here refers to our option A, village, option B, country, option C, state, option D, mother. Which one is correct? Option B, country. He is referring to country. Oh, she is a fresh and fair land. The word oh shows option A, anger, option B, joy, option C, wonder, option D, pity. Which one is correct? Option B, joy. So, we will write here B, he is filled with joy. Now, answer the following questions. Question number 1, name the country in which we all live. Answer is the name of the country in which we all live is India, or you can say Bharat. Question number 2, who are very brave in our country? Answer is the people of our country are very brave. Next question, what is the writer's wish to do for his or her country? Answer is the writer's wish is to die for his or her country. He wants to die for his country. Question number 4, from the poem write 4 qualities of our country India. Answer is 4 qualities of our country India are: India is a rich land, India is a rare land, India is a bold land, India is a fair land. These are 4 qualities of our country. Say whether the following statements are true or false. First one is the women of our country are strong, bold and firm-minded. True or false? It is true. So, we will write here T. Next is the writer feels proud of dying for the country. True or false? It is true. So, we will write here T. Next is our country is a common land like other countries. No, our country is rare land. So, this statement is false. Next is the writer has praised our country in this poem. Yes, this statement is true. Now, write the opposites of the bracketed words in the blanks. We have to write opposite of the words written in brackets. Okay, students? First one is a soldier is always ready to dash for the country, and the word given in bracket is live. So, we will write its opposite. Opposite of live is die. So we will write here die. A soldier is always ready to die for the country. Second one is Dhanpal is dash. Word given in bracket is poor. We have to write opposite of poor. He has 20 cows. Opposite of poor, rich. So we will write here rich. Dhanpal is rich. He has 20 cows. Next is we must be always ready to dash our country. And the word given in bracket is attack. And opposite of attack is defend. So we will write here defend. We must be always ready to defend our country. Next is India is our dash land. Word given in bracket is foreign. Opposite of foreign is native. So we will write here native. India is our native land. Next is Parth gave the dash answer. Word given in bracket is false. Opposite of false is right or true. So we will write here right. Parth gave the right answer. Next is the days are dash in the month of June. Word given in bracket is cold. Opposite of cold is warm. So we will write here the days are warm in the month of June. Now arrange the jumble letters to form correct words. These words are written in jumble form. We have to write it in correct form. First one is F-E-S-R-H and the correct word is fresh. So we will write here F-R-E-S-H, fresh. Next is D-E-V-I-I-N. Correct word is divine. So we will write here D-I-V-I-N-E, divine. Means connected to God or super. Next is F-I-A-R. Correct word is fair. So we will write here F-A-I-R, fair. Next is H-E-R-A-T-S. Correct word is hearts. So we will write here H-E-A-R-T-S, hearts. Next is W-E-O-M-N, women. We will write here W-O-M-E-N, women. Okay, students. Now from the poem, write the English words for their given Hindi meanings. We will write their English words. Marna. What do we say marna in English? Die. So we will write here D-I-E, die. Hriday, heart. We will write H-E-A-R-T, heart. Next, bachana, save or defend. We will write here defend. Next is sochna. Sochna, think. We can write here save also. Okay, students. Now speak the lines aloud from the poem after your teacher. First one is, oh, she is a fresh and fair land. She is a dear and rare land. I would freely die to save her. What is so special in these sentences? See this, she apostrophe S. It means she is. Okay students, now see this one, I apostrophe D, it means I would. Okay, got it? Now work in pairs and complete sentences using the hints given in the brackets. First one is India, Bharat, dash, country is my. We have to write it in correct order. India, this will come first, is, then my, after that country. India is my country. Okay students, next is she dash, A is and fresh, country, fair country. Now how we will write? She is fresh and fair country. She is fresh and fair country. Next is the man of India dash, brave very are. We will arrange it proper sentence. The men of India are very brave. Okay students, the women of our country firm are bold and. The women of our country are bold and firm. Okay students, next is she dash, native land is our. Now we will write it, she is our native land. Got it students? Next is I dash die to save, would freely her. We will write I would freely. Now next we will write here, I would freely die to save her. Full stop. Okay. Next is I dash of my proud am native land India. Now we will write I am proud of. Now I am writing here, proud of my native land India. Okay students, I am proud of my native land India. Now write a paragraph about your school. You may use these words in your paragraph. Some words are given here. You can use these words and write a paragraph. School, big, beautiful, nice, many, rooms, teachers, punctual, hardworking, some plants, trees in the garden, 300 students from class 1 to 8, library, many books, playground, kho-kho, kabaddi, volleyball, basketball and good school. So, let us write a paragraph. My school is very big and beautiful. It is a 2-story building. The school has 25 rooms. The school has a staff of 22 teachers, 2 clerks and 2 peons. Whole staff of the school is hardworking. There are some plants and trees in my school garden. My school has class 1 to class 8. There are 300 students in the school. There is a library also in my school which is well equipped with many books. There is a big playground in which we play volleyball, kho-kho, basketball, etc. My school is among the good schools of the city. In this way, we will write paragraph about my school. So, students, these were question answers of your chapter 15. Just do all the question answers in your English notebook. Hope you all understand it. Have a good day. Thank you.